We're gonna have a look at this limited slip differential here for a 246 Dino. Got everything here. I got the housing here. See the thrust washer down inside there. Then we've got to fill it up with parts. So this for the spider gears, and then spider gears, the drive clutch right there, the axle stub, you know, basically. And we need one clutch shim, one metal spacer, then another metal, and then a 3/10 shim to get the breakaway that I want, which is right around 50 foot-pounds, measured with a torque wrench on the axle. Once we get it together here. Good to go. And we're going to put in the spider gears. A little when you go around a corner, these break loose for you on a posi traction. And that's what we're doing is drive axle again, the other stub for the other end. We're setting up the spring pressure, the pressure on the clutches to get a good limited slip. You can't go too much or you'll be, when you go around the corner, the outside tire or the inside tire will just burn rubber. So here we go again. We have another metal, another clutch shim, and then I've got, believe it or not, that is a 1/1000th of an inch shim on there, if you can see it. 1/1000th of an inch. That's how sensitive these things are. 1/1000th of an inch. One more of these and the whole thing will lock up and it won't move. So one metal with a 1/1000th of an inch shim. And the last metal. And we have the outer base of the thrust washer right here. It allows this to float. Yep, getting ahead of myself. Need a ring gear. Don't laugh. Don't laugh at me. Gotta have a ring gear. These things are kind of a pain. There we go. Gotta have a hammer handy. We're good. There we go. Of course, Frank has to start making noise. God, it was so perfect. There, quit. Nice bolts here that are drilled for safety wire, but I don't like that, so I'm going to use a little red Loctite. But I'll wait. I want to make sure that I got the right breakaway. So I'll put in four bolts first. I'm pretty sure I got it right. We'll zip it down with the with not quite so much torque, just to see where we're at. And you use a torque wrench with a dial on it, so it'll tell you I want about, probably about 30 or so pounds here, because I'll put the rest of the bolts in, it'll get even tight. Getting away from me here. Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's right at about 40. That's okay. I can go on this 50 pounds, so it's going to tighten up 10 pounds by the time I put the rest of the bolts in and torque it. So I think we're good. Little red Loctite on each one. I'll put the safety wire on it. It's a waste of time. I mean, if it comes loose, that safety wire ain't gonna help you. It looks pretty. This beats safety wire any day. Just need a little. Now I'll torque these. These are 10 by 1. I'll torque them to 60 foot-pounds. I won't put you through the grief of watching that. We'll just zip them down with the air gun, which, you know, gives me probably about 40, and then I go the rest of the way with the torque wrench. There we go. Let's see what we get. Yeah, look at that. We're jamming. Right on. Here we have our posi unit for a Dino. So we'll see you back at the lounge.